Almost 80% of what mechanics fix could have been avoided, but here's the reality. They profit when you don't know better. Most shops leave out the information that saves you real money, but not today. We're exposing 5 killer maintenance secrets they hope stay buried.
From sneaky dashboard resets to routine checks that pad their bills, mechanics rarely share the stuff that actually helps you. These 5 tricks slash repair costs and extend engine life. If you think your mechanic tells you everything, you need to see this first. Let's start with something so simple, it sounds almost too good to be true.
Secret number 1, the gasket vitamin your mechanic never mentions. That small rubber gasket on your gas cap does more than you realize. It keeps fuel vapors sealed in and helps your emission system work properly. But rubber doesn't age well. Over time, it hardens, loses flexibility, and forms tiny cracks. That's when problems start. Poor sealing leads to pressure loss, and that can trigger your check engine light out of nowhere. Once a year, give that gasket some attention. Grab a pea-sized amount of clear silicone dielectric grease. Rub it evenly around the rubber ring. Then twist the cap on and off a few times. This simple move keeps the rubber flexible and prevents those micro cracks. Your cap will seal like new for years. Now, if your gasket already looks crusty or heavily cracked, don't try to save it. Replace the whole cap. It's cheap insurance for smooth operation. You'd never guess this tiny rubber ring could compromise your entire fuel system, but it absolutely can.
Secret number 2, diagnose your car yourself and skip the diagnostic fee. That mysterious check engine light doesn't require a shop visit anymore. You don't need to pay $150 just to find out what's wrong. All you need is an OBD2 scanner. It's inexpensive, small, and incredibly useful. Plug it into the port under your dashboard. Every car made since 1996 has this port. Turn your key to the on position. Within seconds, your car reveals what's happening. Misfire detected, bad sensor reading, even something as simple as a loose gas cap. The scanner tells you immediately. Some scanners even connect to your phone. They translate those confusing codes into plain English. No guessing, no wondering if you're being upsold. Even if you don't fix the problem yourself, knowing what's wrong gives you power. You walk into any shop fully informed and confident. Stop fearing that little orange light. With one small tool, you transform confusion into clarity. And you turn uncertain mechanics into nervous ones. Scan it, know it, own it. Secret number 3, the brake job step that saves your ABS module. When you replace brake pads, skipping one simple step could wreck something way more expensive, your anti-lock braking system. Before you compress that caliper, open the bleeder valve first. Here's why this matters. If you don't bleed while compressing, you force old contaminated brake fluid backward through the lines. That dirty fluid flows directly into delicate parts like your ABS module. Those components don't forgive mistakes, they just fail. And ABS module replacement can cost over $1,200. Bleeding as you compress keeps contamination flowing out instead of backward into the system. You're flushing the bad stuff while making room for new pads. Better braking performance and a cleaner hydraulic system, both at the same time. One warning though, don't let your master cylinder run dry while bleeding. If air gets into the system, your pedal will feel soft and mushy. That turns a quick pad replacement into a frustrating bleeding session. Do it right. Your brakes will stop smoother, last longer, and stay far away from 4-figure repairs. Secret number 4, don't buy old batteries. We all want a good deal, but with car batteries, shortcuts cost you more than you save. That brand new battery on the shelf might have been sitting there for months, quietly losing strength before it ever touches your car. Before you buy, check the manufacturing date stamped on the battery case. Look for one that's less than a month old. Anything older is already on the clock. That's not what you want under your hood powering your electrical system. Once you bring it home, don't just install it immediately. Give it a full charge first. A quick top-up wakes the battery up fully. It ensures maximum charge capacity and helps it perform at its absolute best from day one. Old batteries create problems fast. They die quicker than expected, they struggle badly in cold weather, and they leave you stranded at the worst possible times. Skip the dusty bargain bin completely. A fresh, properly charged battery means stronger starts, longer overall life, and way fewer jump-start emergencies down the road. Secret number 5. Warm your engine before driving hard. When you first start your car, the oil is still cold and sitting in the oil pan. It takes 30 to 60 seconds for that oil to circulate through the entire engine. Until then, metal parts are rubbing together with almost no protection. Imagine slamming the accelerator during those first moments. You're demanding power, but your engine isn't fully awake yet. That early strain causes metal-on-metal contact. It increases wear on pistons, valves, and bearings, all the critical internal components. The solution is incredibly simple. Let your engine run for about 30 seconds before driving. Let it warm up just enough for oil to reach everywhere it needs to go. Then drive gently for the first minute or two. No hard acceleration, no high RPMs, just smooth, easy driving until the temperature gauge starts moving. This simple habit adds years to your engine's life. Now you know 5 secrets mechanics rarely share. Use them. Your wallet will thank you, and your car will run better and last longer than you ever expected.